Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve the two questions from quantitative aptitude. As we know that quant is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and people used to get high score in this portion as it requires only your numerical and basic mathematical skills. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. If ax is root over 3 plus root over 2, then the value of x plus 1 by x is what? X is root over 3 plus root over 2. Therefore, 1 by x is 1 by root over 3 plus root over 2. If we multiply root over 3 minus root over 2 in numerator and denominator, we get this, and this results in root over 3 minus root over 2 divided by 1. Okay. Hence, the value of x plus 1 by x is root over 3 plus root over 2 plus root over 3 minus root over 2, which results in 2 root over 3. Therefore, the option D is the correct answer. Now, let's check the next question. An equilateral triangle TQR. Okay, an equilateral triangle TQR is drawn inside a square PQRS. Then the value of angle PTS in degree is what? So suppose this is a square named PQRS. Okay, and the triangle TQR is in this square. Okay, now join these two lines P and T, join these two coordinates P and T, and also join S and T. Okay, now as the triangle is equilateral, therefore all the angles are 60 degree. Okay, and all the sides of the triangle are equal, and as it is a square, all the sides of the square is also equal. Okay, therefore we can say that PQ is equals to QR is equals to RS is equals to SP is equals to TR is equals to TQ. Okay, as we have equilateral triangle and a square. Okay, now as this angle is 60 degree, therefore it must be 30 degree, the angle TRS, and let these two angles are theta. These two angles are equal as the angle STR is equals to angle TSR is equals to theta, as they are opposite angles of equal length sides. Okay, now therefore we can say that in triangle STR, theta plus 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. Hence theta is equals to 180 minus 30, that means 150 divided by 2 degree, which results in 75 degree. Now similarly in triangle PTQ, this angle is 30°. Okay, and if we assume that these two are theta prime, then the value of theta prime is equals to also 75°, or we can say angle PTQ is equals to 75°. Okay, now angle PTS plus angle STR plus angle PTQ plus angle QTS is equals to 360°. All of this angle PTS, STR, QTR, PTQ, if we add all of this angle, all of the four angles, we get 360°. And here we can evaluate the value of angle PTS, as we already know the values of the other three angles. The value of PTQ and the value of STR is 75 degrees, and the value of QTS, sorry, it must be QTR, the value of QTR is 60 degree. Hence we get 360 degree minus 210 degree, which results in 150 degree. Therefore our required answer is the option D. Okay, so we have solved two questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to WhatsApp us in these two numbers, 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.saurasasclasses.com. Thank you very much.